my sewing friends. Here are some gems that I got on my summer vacation. I'm Jen and this is my sewing room and I have some treasures to show you. I went on a summer vacation, kind of, and one of the stops along the way was Mount Airy, North Carolina. And I was just thrilled to visit one of the little quilt shops there. It's called Creative Machine Sewing. And so I walked in and it's a quilt shop and a Bernina dealership. So I went in and I'm walking around and looking at the fabrics. It wasn't a huge shop, so it was nice because you could see a lot of things but not be overwhelmed. It was a little overwhelming, but anyway, so gorgeous quilting fabrics. And there was a woman who works there. She walked over and she said, "Is there anything you're looking for?" And I said, "Do you have any Tula Pink?" I have a friend who loves Tula Pink. She said, "No, I don't have any Tula, but we do have a lot of other stuff." And so, anything specific that you're looking for? And I said, "No, not really. I'll just kind of browse." So I did. Well, then I found a couple things, went up to the counter, and she starts cutting them. And I'm just randomly talking to her about, apparel sewing, fashion sewing, and how she's coming back to that from a lot of years quilting. She was talking about a wonderful thing that she's done where she and some friends have taken wedding gowns and made them into quilts. And I just think, oh, what a great idea to use that wedding gown for something that's, maybe it's my wedding gown and one of my daughters would love to have a quilt from it. I just think that's so cool. So, we're talking about that kind of stuff. And really, we stood there while she measured my fabric and we talked for probably 15 or 20 minutes. And it was a joy to talk with her. Well, here's what I didn't know. This woman has been sewing for 36 years. She has been featured in the Bernina magazine Through the Needle. She's created patterns that they use in the shop for classes. I'm sure for quilting classes, for Bernina classes, and that kind of thing. She is also an authorized technician for Bernina. She learned from her dad. And she's a mom in the 5-kid club. I call it that. It's kind of like I'm a mom of 5 kids. And so it's like, oh, you have 5 kids too? You're in the 5-kid club. I loved talking with her. I really loved talking with her. And so I told her I have a YouTube channel. And actually, she commented on my last video. And here's why, I think. I bought this fabric, which I'll show you in just a second, and it was in this little red bag. And then I walked down the street, went to a different fabric shop, got everything there, walked out with the bags from that shop, and left my little red bag. So the people at that fabric shop were kind enough to say, "Hey, you left your little red bag," and so then they were extra kind in sending it to me in the mail. And it had some real treasures in it. I love these fabrics so much. Now that day I was wearing my happy dress, which is made from an IKEA sheet. And when I saw this, this is a fat quarter. And I thought, oh yeah, I need to take that home with me. This, I don't know, let's see, it says 100% cotton studio fabrics. I don't know what it is, but it reminded me of what I was wearing. And I thought, oh, if I don't do anything except put this on the wall as a piece of fabric, it will remind me of that day and how I just had such a great time talking with Tamisa. Yeah, it would be a great memory. So I picked that up. And then I got a yard of each of these. Now, why I didn't get more, I don't know, because I was on drugs, I guess. I was so caught up in talking with her that I probably should have gotten more. But this is Pretty in Pink from In the Beginning fabrics from 2020. Look at this. Listen, this stuff is the good stuff. This isn't your standard quilting cotton that you'd find at Hobby Lobby. This stuff feels divine. It is wonderful. And look at this gorgeous color and print. Oh my goodness. I think it's gardenias. Maybe not, but possibly. So pretty. Oh, I love this so much. I love the colors. I love the print, you know. I mean, I'm tempted to just go online and order this from them and have them send me some more of it and just make a beautiful dress from it because it's just gorgeous. Okay, and then this one is also pretty in pink from In the Beginning Fabrics. And I got a yard of it too. And what was I thinking? Why did I not get like 3 yards of these? Because, oh my gosh, they're just so beautiful. Just beautiful fabrics. Again, that nice, beautiful cotton. Look at this. Look at how beautiful that is. Those colors, the pink. Oh, maybe dogwood. Is that dogwood? I don't know. Somebody, one of you will know, and I'm sure you'll tell me. But look at how pretty. Oh my gosh. So there's that one also. And the last one I got, this is called Magnificent Blooms. It's by Jackie Robinson. And I think I got 2.5 yards of this one. I actually, at the time, I was thinking I'll make a Simplicity 8640 from that. It's got irises on it. And I wanted, the reason I say that is because I want that dress in a dark color. And I keep thinking, I got to get fabric for that. And now I've gotten 2 or 3 pieces of it in a darker color. But this, again, is just that gorgeous, gorgeous fabric. It feels divine. It just, so pretty. And I really liked the floral, the irises. I liked the colors. And I just thought, oh, yeah. So that was from there. I am so glad that I was able to get my little red bag back because it just broke my heart when I walked away without it. And she was just, like I say, such a delight to talk to. I can't believe she's in the 5 Kid Club. I think her kids are from 12 to 25 and mine are now 26 to 31. Wow. Well, anyway, if you would like to visit their shop, I'll put I'll link their website down below. Do give them a look because, boy, they have some beautiful stuff. And I may be calling them again and just saying, hey, can you send me 2 more yards of that? Because why didn't I buy more of that? I don't know. Anyway, so if you'd like to see a whole playlist of all the things that I bought on this vacation, have a look right over here. There's a playlist. And thank you so much for watching, and let me leave you with this. Do justice, love mercy, and walk humbly with your God. This is something that I want to do every day, and I hope you do too.